So, welcome to Leap Code, another session. In this session, my name is Kamran Zahid, and in this session, we'll be looking after that what exactly this business competence and the roadmap looks like. This is the first sheet. The name is organization chart. Second is an audit of each function, and third is the strategic Gantt chart. So, how it works, I'll let you know. These are the minus signs which you can expand and collapse the groups as you like. We divide or whatever the business functions we have or the companies that we are working in three major divisions. The first division is administration. Second is business development management, and third is operations. So if we start with the business development, it's very simply is that generating and delivering the needs. So marketing and sales to be very simple, and delivering that promise that we have done is operations. Rest everything is administration. If we expand the groups, you will see that this is the sheet. So there are few headings that are the background is in black. That means they do not need to be edited at any time because these are very well defined with very care and with very delicacy. Whatever the rest of the colors, those rows can be added, or I mean those rows can be edited whatever is required. First thing that we need to do is we need to select that either or not whether or not this business function that we have mentioned here is active in our business or not, right? So people and culture is mostly the yes case. Procurement could be in few cases that could be the case or not. So some organizations can have procurement and some cannot have procurement. In any case, if we don't have a business function, or we do not want that in our business function, in our business to be activated, it means that that is not relevant to us. Will act as no. Whenever we'll select it no, the row would conditionally format itself into gray, just so that those rows are faded out sort of, and we can focus on the things that are required actually. R&D, no. Technical, yes. Right. So this is how we'll select that whether or not this business function is active in our business. That means currently and in next 1 year, that function is required or not. So there are people and culture. This is the functional goal of this business function. So what exactly is required, or what exactly is done in this business function, and then the main core keywords are written here as well, so that just to have a glimpse of whatever's going on is mentioned here. So step number one, we'll select the business function is active or not. Then we'll see who is the responsible person for this business function. Then we'll see that whether or not it's a system dependent or not. 10 being the best, when being the system is lacking. We'll see that where exactly the business system is. So this business function is system dependent or not. We'll select this on a rate of 1 to 10. Then we'll see the action consistency. That means that either or whether or not whatever practice is there, they are consistent or not consistent. Those would be selected in action consistency, again on a scale of 1 to 10. And overall, what is the efficiency and the results of the processes that we are having over there. This is more of a very high level kind of an audit of the company. Once this is done, we'll move to the next sheet. That is an in-depth organizational efficiency audit. And in here, you will see that in people and culture, so there are different things that need to be done. And we'll see that whether or not this is relevant or not, number one. So developing an organogram. In case of solopreneurs, they don't need that. But if you have a team more than two, it means yes. Creating job descriptions, yes. Establishing a recruitment pipeline, we say okay, this is not active, not as of now, and we don't need that for next like 1 year. Then we'll see that if we selected yes in this relevant thing, we'll say that current what is the current situation. Does this function exist or not? No, this doesn't exist right now. So if it doesn't exist, it means we don't have any further details to be mentioned over here. But however, if it is existing over here, that means that we'll see that what exactly is the organogram. We'll write, for example, this is a Google Doc. uh, is it a system dependent activity or not? Are the actions consistent or not? And what is the efficiency? Select over here. The current process is that does it have automation potential? Yes or no? We'll select. And then what is the integration capability? of within any automated software or automated system, whatever, that will select yes or no, right? So this is the current situation of our one activity of a business function. Then we'll see that what exactly is that is required, and the thing that we have written is that we need to train our people or optimize our processes or integrate or outsource or what. And then we'll see that are there any further steps that need to be written over here. So whatever is selected in this is a organizational efficiency audit that is in depth. Once this is done, whatever the relevancy is here, that would automatically go in this strategic Gantt chart. So once this is done, we'll simply apply a filter over here, and we'll simply copy these numbers. So for example, these five things we think that need to be done in the strategic Gantt chart, we'll simply copy paste them right here. So we'll get the